Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyanesh Chandra Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to help in learning mathematics in up to 12th. If you want to learn any other topic of mathematics, then you can write that in comment box. And I also make a lesson for that topic. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is median. Median. In median, we have finding the median. We have two methods. First is work on individual distribution and ungrouped frequency distribution table. Because first method work in both individual and ungrouped frequency distribution table. It have and second method work on group frequency distribution table. So today's first we learn the individual and ungrouped frequency distribution table, how we can find the median. So let's start today's first question. Here we have given find the median of following variable, means following data. For finding the median in ungrouped frequency distribution table and this individual distribution, we have to write the all data in ascending order. So write it in ascending order. In ascending order, we write the number all data in small to large. We can also write the descending order because it does not affect ascending or descending order. But in median, we have to write the all data in ascending and descending order. So I am writing the all data in ascending order. Here we see that the smallest number is 25 first. All time I say that if you want to write ascending, descending in table, first you marking the number. Then you don't confuse in any questions. So 25, 31, 32, 37, 39, 42, 43, 45 and 46. Here we have write the number in ascending order. Now we have to find the number median value. So always after writing the ascending order or descending order, first we remove one number, then two number, then three number, then four number. Then what is the remaining? 39. In small data we can find this median by this method. But if data is large, so we use the formula. Already here we see that in 9 variable we can easily calculate the median by removing one element. So both sides. So median formula in odd is n upon 2 plus 1 th terms. Here median is n upon 2 plus 1 means half plus 1 terms, not n upon 2 plus 1 value. It is not value, it is the terms. So write the value. Here total number of terms is 9 upon 2 plus, n plus 1 upon 2. 9 plus 1 upon 2. th terms. 9 plus 1 is 10. So fifth terms. Fifth terms is our answer. So check in ascending order what is the fifth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth terms is 39. So in odd value, the formula is n plus 1 upon 2 th terms. Here n upon 2, n plus 1 upon 2 TH terms is the number of the values. Number of the values. Values is 39. So again, always remember that in finding median, n plus 1 upon 2 TH terms is the only number of the value, and value is a 39. So counting the number of terms. Here fifth term, so counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After counting, we know what is the median. So let's take another questions. Here we have find the median of the following variable. Here number are 3, 8, 7, 5, 4, 10, 9. So the counting number of the variable is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means odd number. So again write in ascending order. After writing ascending order, we will use the formula. Here ascending order 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here are 7 odd number. So median formula is n plus 1 upon 2 TH terms. Value is 7 plus 1 upon 2 TH terms. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 upon 2 is 4th terms. So check it in ascending order. What is the fourth term? Here fourth terms is 1, 2, 3, 4. Means fourth term's value is 7. So we can easily calculate if number of variables are even. So by this method, you can easily calculate the individual data median. So let's take another questions. Here we have given find the median of following data. Here number of data. Sometimes in question examiner gives the question following variable following data, then it does not affect our question solution. So do not take any tension of this type of language. Here number are given 10 even. So first we write in ascending order, because always in median individual distribution we write the all data in ascending order. So write in ascending order. What is the smallest number? Smallest number is 20. Next 22. Next 23. Next 25. Next 26. Next 28. Next 32. Sorry, 31. 28, 31, 32, 34 and 35. Here we have given 10 numbers, 10 values. So if you remove both sides 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, then we got nothing. So in this, if number of variable, number of data are even, so we use the different type of formula. So some different. So here we take median if number are even. If number are even, we use this formula. Here in median 1 upon 2, we take half of the value of n upon 2 th terms plus n upon 2 plus 1 th terms. It is some different. In before previous question, we first add the 1 and then we divide the number by 2. But here it is number are also even. So first we divide by 2. Then we got some terms. Then we take next term of n upon 2. Next term of n upon 2. N upon 2 plus 1 means next term of half. Next term of half. So put the value here, 1 upon 2. Here total terms is 10. So 10 upon 2 th terms. Plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 th terms. Now here first 10 divided by 2 is fifth terms. Fifth terms. Here 10 upon 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is sixth terms. So here come sixth terms. These terms are in continuously. Fifth term, sixth term, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Just like this. Now first we put the value. What is the fifth term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26. And sixth terms is 28. So add both of terms. 26 plus 54 is 54. 26, 28 is 54. Divided by 2, then we got the answer is 27. Here we get the median is 27. But it is not in our data. But our median value is 27. Sometime our median value is not come in our data. So does not take any type of tension. So let's take today's last questions. Here we have given marks obtained by student in a class are given in following table. So marks, 15 marks is scored 2 student, 20 marks 80 student, 25 student, 25 marks 16 student, just like this. So we have to find the median. Generally we write the all median data in ascending order, but it is already in ascending order. So we find the value of n upon 2. So what is the n? N means the sum of the frequency, means number of all terms, all data. So frequency represents the number of data. So first we find the sum of all data. So and commutative frequency represents the sum of data on previous term. Means first here we have given frequency is 2. So commutative frequency is also 2. But in next term, we add this frequency in next frequency. For commutative frequency, all time, add the previous all frequency in that frequency. So 2 or 8, 10, 10, 16, 26. Each time I add the commutative frequency in next frequency. 26, 26, 52. 52, 20, 72. 72, 16, 88. 88 or 7, 95. 95, 4, 99. So sum of the frequency and commutative frequency last term are same. So summation of f and in other language n equals to 99. Now we have to find the median. But here some students think it is odd and even. In frequency distribution table, odd even does not work. Always you find the n upon 2. It is group frequency distribution table or ungroup frequency distribution. All time first you write the n upon 2 value. So n upon 2 means 99 upon 2 is 49.5. Okay. Now if our answer is 49.5, now we take this value less than value. What is the less than value of 49.5? 49.5 less than value in commutative frequency is 26. So here commutative frequency is 26. CF is 26. And the median in ungroup frequency distribution table we can find the easily. We can find the easily. The next value of x is median. Median is 30. Median is 30. I am again repeating that. First we find the n upon 2. N upon 2 less than value in commutative frequency, that is called CF. That is called CF. And next line, next row in after commutative frequency, that is called median class. it is median class. But here it is ungrouped, so our answer is 30 directly. But if it is in group frequency distribution table, then we solve by formula. So by this method, we can easily calculate the value of any terms CF. Always remember that if n upon 2 value is equal to the CF, then this class is the median class. Again repeating that, if CF is equal to the n upon 2 value, then our answer is 25. But here CF is small, so we write the value of next row. So thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. And write the comment for today's class. And thank you for watching this video.